How does iron or powder ball press guarantee output value and pellet quality? In the production process of iron or powder ball press, the output value and pellet quality should be guaranteed. The particle size of iron or powder is required to be within the range of 90 to 260 mesh, and impurities with high hardness are not allowed in iron or powder, otherwise the roller surface will be damaged. The feeding of iron or powder ball press should be uniform and timely, and adjustable screw feeder should be adopted. In the production process of iron or powder ball press, it is necessary to observe the return amount of iron or powder ball press in time and adjust the supply of new material. Iron or powder ball press to ensure ball quality, but must not overload operation. To maintain the maintenance of equipment, in addition to the overhaul management, overload operation is also a key factor affecting the production of equipment and the quality of the ball.